Viability is a national award-winning social enterprise that was set up to make sure that every community in Wales has a thriving and financially stable football club at its heart that provides opportunities for young people, economically inactive people, to develop skills and broaden their horizons.
I did the viability course, got my BTEC in football industries, and then since then I've been doing football coaching with the lads every day, and I've now started working in the office as well, so I get to see both sides of it. You can learn about it all you want, but until you actually get into that work environment, you can't just learn that on paper. You have to experience it, and I think being here showed me what it's really like in a workplace.
I found it quite difficult to get a job on a full-time basis because you couldn't survive on the wage that I was getting part-time. So it sort of knocks your confidence. You think, I've got a degree, but I'm not doing anything with it. Was it a waste of time?
Well, when we measure progression for an individual, we don't just look at, the fact that they might have gone into employment, they might have gone into training, they might have gone into further education. We look at it completely from an individual perspective. What might be a success for one person might be a huge achievement for somebody else. And we also think that the soft skills, if they've made those achievements, they're going to, in some point in the future, progress into employment.
Viability certainly gives opportunities for people who aren't in education or training. Obviously it's difficult to find a job in these kind of circumstances, so for Viability to offer sort of BTEC in sports industries and for the Engagement Gateway course, it gives someone the confidence to go and get a job.
Everybody that takes part gets the opportunity to go on a 2-week work experience placement at a professional football club in Europe. It broadens their horizons. They actually realise that there are other things out there for them that can be achieved.
I actually got to go to Sweden. We went to Umeå. It was nice to see a different way to run football clubs and school sports as well.
As a result of doing the first Engagement Gateway project that we did, we then opened up the BTEC Football Industries. That's now an income stream in itself. So without that first Engagement Gateway, we wouldn't have been able to gone on to the other things that we have done, and I feel quite strongly about that.
It's not nice coming out of university thinking, I haven't got a job now, what am I going to do? You don't really want to rely on benefits for the rest of your life. I want to achieve something, I want to do something out of my life, so having opportunities like Viability has really helped.